Hello, welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about the results of what Powafix Solarshield does to the temperature inside the van. So I did some tests a week before adding the coating on the roof and also a week after the coating. So looking at the graph, you can see the red line is the inside of the van, temperature inside the van, and the orange line is the outside temperature. In the morning, the van is cooler inside, then eventually the temperature did overtake the outside temperature. And then if you look at the next chart with after the coating was added on the roof, light blue is the inside temperature and the dark blue is the outside temperature. The inside temperature also did overtake the outside temperature eventually, but if you look at the difference between the before and the after, the lines are a lot closer together, so the difference between the inside and outside is a lot less after I added the Powafix. So Powafix definitely makes a difference. Very happy with the product. Well done, Powafix. Great product.